Like,
It's working again. Just don't.
okay, let's run this. You're gonna keep going. Keep going. Hold the key down.
You need some gas inside the
The carburetor needs fuel. No, don't over pump it. If you over pump it, let's keep going. There's only way. The only way is to keep going.
Stop yelling. You keep going, seriously?
Не тряси только эту.
What are you saying?
Keep.
Газ, делай это, чтобы, а то там нету его.
Yeah, pump the gas. Gently.
Там это, бензина нету, вообще не. Стоп. Бензин, да, сейчас, наверное, прикуриватель сделаем чуть-чуть.
Go outside to record this. Brody, take it.
Video. Oh, do we have brake cleaner? Oh, maybe.
Опа. Стоп. Бензин.
Hold on. That's the most gangster move. Man.
Давай. Бля, он сейчас тарахтит. Иди, Артур, это подержи зажигатель.
We got it turning.
That's not normal. Go in the front, record the front.
Фу, этот горит.
Fire! We got fire! Fire!
Блядь.
Yeah, that's exactly what she did.
Let's see.
Давай!
Не, я не буду.
Чё ты, блядь, очкуешь, блядь? Я здесь возле
Я с
мотора.
детства боюсь, Артема заводится, как старая машина.
One more time!
Он вообще думал, что ты он думал, Артур, что, он думал, что мы сегодня не заведем, да? А?
Он думал, нет.
Вот, Вот, теперь Артур, он гордится Артуром, что мы таких хороших. Слышал? О, пиздец. Движок 8-цилиндровый.
Move. That's good enough. It's good enough. Wake up the whole neighborhood. I can't believe this. It's actually my car is gonna. It's starting. I just need a little bit of less privacy. It's way too private under here, so I cannot start this. I can't believe this is actually starting after over I say 10-12 years. I figure out what was wrong with my electrical, which is a mess. Look at this here. My 950 Holy double pumper actually spoke again. My 440 cylinder and everything was turning. Finally, battery worked. Everything seems to sound that they're going to be okay. So I just had some issues of moving this vehicle out of here and put it on the street and see how it sounds there. So this is part 1 video out of the next one, probably part 2 or part 3, I'm not really sure. But after so many years, the car actually started and sounded really loud with those pipes over here that they are can actually turn a lot of alarms on, off, or whatever, you know. So this is my fuel cell. It hasn't been filled up for a dozen of years, and yeah. Let's see,
на
let's see.
телефоне, если ты боишься.
Let's see, speak English.
Еще не убегаем, будет поставлен.
He's too scared. Started. We're like thinking out problem solving. Hold, Ignis.
Подсос просто вытащи.
Hold it again.
А, подожди, вон там, это.
Hold it again. Wait, did you get that? Fuck that. That's good enough.
That's crazy, guys. So loud. So yeah, my car is alive again. It's gonna be on the street pretty soon with some Ukrainian help. He's kissing the engine. So yeah, my car is gonna be pretty soon on the street. See if I can actually drive this baby in Vancouver. I kind of highly doubt it with this kind of decibels I have, but I see what I can do and make it a little bit more street legal because it's not right now. So yeah, that's it, folks, for the first video. The second one's coming up pretty soon, a few days from now. I hope you guys. No way that you will not like that video. It's awesome. 1967 Plymouth Barracuda coming up soon.